Have you ever seen a turtle fly? Well, meet Luna, a cheerful little girl who just loves exploring the magical forest right by her home. One sunny morning, she was playing when she heard a gentle whoosh sound from the bushes. She tiptoed closer, super curious, and what did she find? A tiny little turtle with tiny, sparkling wings. The turtle looked a bit sad. "I can't fly very far," he whispered. "My wings are just too small." Luna, with her big, kind heart, smiled and said, "Don't worry, I'll help you." So together, Luna and the little turtle set off on a magical adventure. They hopped over streams that shimmered with all the colors of the rainbow, giggled as they passed flowers that could actually talk, and even met a friendly, glowing firefly who lit up their path. The whole forest was sparkling with bright colors, and every single step felt like pure magic. Then, up on a tall hill, they saw something amazing, a glowing, rainbow-colored gem. "This must be your magic," Luna said excitedly. The turtle carefully touched the gem with his tiny wing and POOF. Instantly, his wings grew bigger, shinier, and so much stronger. "Wow, I can fly high into the sky!" the turtle cheered, spinning around with joy. Luna clapped her hands and laughed as her new friend soared above the trees, over the streams, and way past the mountains from up so high. The world looked even more magical than Luna had ever imagined. They flew together over sparkling waterfalls, through fluffy rainbow clouds, and across meadows filled with colorful flowers. Flying is so much fun, Luna shouted with a huge smile. Soon, the sun began to set, and it was time for Luna to go home. The turtle waved his big, shiny wing and promised to visit her again very soon. Luna waved back, still smiling. As she walked home, she whispered to herself, "Friendship really does make anything possible." And from that day on, Luna and her flying turtle had the most wonderful and magical adventures together. They proved that when you help a friend and believe in a little bit of magic, even the impossible can come true. If you enjoyed this story, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.